hard-shelled nuts hide mouth-watering treasures inside. And so the capuchins need an anvil and a hammer. They look for large stones to place the nuts on, and then choose another as a hammer to hit the nuts with. Studies have shown that the monkeys adjust the amount of force they use according to the state of the shell, so as not to destroy what is inside. Some especially expert individuals can calculate the weight of each stone to find the most suitable one to break their nut. It's a refined and efficient technique, one nut after another easily shelled. The troop's youngsters watch, learn, and train. But curiously, all this skill and effort is not in fact employed in the hunt for seeds, but something even more valuable and scarce: protein. These capuchin monkeys are collecting the succulent larvae that feed on the nuts inside the hard shells. Perhaps more than protein harvesters, these small monkeys should be thought of as relentless insect hunters.